Welcome, my name is Kujosi, the admin of CJ Forex. On this video, I'll be covering a weekly analysis that will cover from 10th July 2023 to 15 July 2023. Don't forget to click that subscription button so you can always get our weekly market analysis and also our monthly market analysis and yearly market analysis. This is CJ Forex Global. Before I go on with our weekly analysis, let me summarize what CJ Forex Global is all about. CJ Forex Global is a Forex training smart institution. We are everywhere. All you have to do to be part of CJ Forex Global is to download our app on Play Store or also click on the link to register. Like we are on a Play Store, you can come here and click, or you go to Google Play Store, search for CJFX Global, and you will see our app and download it. What is CJ Forex Global meant for? CJ Forex Global is a forex training institution. We focus on training both old traders and beginners to make consistent profits. So our training institution comprises from basic down to master's class. So if you're a losing trader, you start from base, intermediate, and cover this thing. But before you finish intermediate class, you must have known how to trade profitable. As you progress, you subscribe for other higher courses. You know, in this business, we are here to make money. Okay, so the more knowledge you have, the more money is in your pocket. If you're a beginner, you don't know anything about Forex at all, you want to start, you admire it, you have heard about Forex, just subscribe, start from the basic. Now, what CJ Forex is mostly focused is earning and learning. So you'll be earning and learning. That's why we offer other services. We sell robots. If you have registered with CJ Forex Global, once you log into your client dashboard, you come here, you follow, you read through all the thing about our trading robot, how it works. We have different versions of the robot. The one that you can afford, you go for it. Our robot is one of the best in the FX business. Then we also offer cash flow strategy. Many of you have been using it, and you can testify that cash flow strategy has been helping most of you who are losing traders so to regain your confidence. So if you want to get cash flow strategy, once you log into your client app, register, log in, and then open your client, you click here, go through cash flow strategy. If you are interested, you subscribe to it. For another one we offer is price alert indicator, price entering alert indicator. This is one of the best indicator that many institutions use, many channels use to provide signal for their client. You can get it. All this indicator does is it gives you alert when to buy, when to sell, where to put your stop loss, and where to take your profit. It signals is very accurate, 99% accurate. You can use it on both currency and crude oil. You can use it on gold. You can use it on any asset apart from synthetics. You only use it on your laptop. Then another one is account management. For those of you who are very busy, or for those of you who have lost confidence on your trading skill, we offer account management. If you are interested, once you click here, you go through the procedure. If you can qualify for it, you subscribe and get access to our account manager. Our managers are the best in the system of FX. Then we also have VPS. For those of you who are looking for signals, you need good signals. You need to be copying signal, copying signal. All you have to do, subscribe for our paid signal, and you will be in our channel, and then be getting everything you need. If you can subscribe monthly or lifetime. Don't forget that CJ Forex is on a Google Play Store. Don't forget to click that subscription button to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you will always get updates every time. Okay, now we are going to be heading to the main reason why we are holding this weekly analysis. Our analysis is mostly focused on how the market will look like this week. If you're a student of CJ Forex, you know where the market, where to enter and where not to enter. So I'm going to be looking at what happened last week and then use that to decide what this week will look like. We will start with DXY. Welcome to DXY. DXY is dollar index, okay? Dollar index, we use it to weigh the strength of dollar against other assets. So now I'm going to be covering DXY. So let's start with DXY. Here, if you look very well, dollar was very weak last week. Look at it. This is the weekly time frame. Dollar was very weak, and I still expect dollar to keep falling this coming week, okay? It will fall down to this low, okay? So for you to see that dollar is going to be weak, but at the beginning of the week, dollar will make a little bit push, okay? It will gather momentum to go up to this level before falling down again. So expect dollar to be weaker at between Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday. But from Monday, it's going to rise down to Tuesday, okay? So expect dollar to be weaker this coming week. Let's expect, if you are a student of CJ Forex, you probably know how to engage this market. Let us look at Euro GBP, European currency against British pounds. What happened last week? Last week, British pounds gained momentum against Euro, okay? Against Euro. So what is this week going to be like? This week, we expect we expect British pounds to keep going down again. So our targeted expectation where it will reach is this place. So I believe this market will make a little bit push up, okay? At the beginning of the week, it will push up to this point. Let's say it will push up to this level, okay? This level, it will push up to this level. So this is what we should be looking at this coming week. Let me go to daily time frame where it will be clear. So now, if you want to sell, this market will push up to this point to touch the weekly support level before falling down. But just know that British pounds is going to gain strength against Euro this coming week, okay? So expect British pound to gain momentum against Euro. Okay, now on Euro USD, we are expecting Euro to gain momentum against US dollar. This week, we expect that US dollar is going to be weaker. So because of that, we expect Euro to be more powerful than US dollar. So look for opportunity to buy on Euro USD. On GBP USD, the same scenario. British pounds is going to gain momentum against US dollar, because this week we expect US dollar to be weak, and British pounds is going to drag US dollar up. If you're a student of CJ Forex Global, you know where and what need to be met before you consider entering the FX market. So on this US card is weak, so we still expect CAD to drag US dollar down. So we expect it to drag down. You can see it here. Last week it got its successfully have a strong rejection, so we still expect this market to fall down to this level. So, but at the beginning of the week, it will make a little bit push down. This is what I think this week will look like. It will look like this, okay, before it will now make a move like this. I'm just giving you what the way the market will push it. So it will go up a little bit then before making a fall, okay? It will make a fall, okay? So this is your weekly take profit for sell. Let us look at USCHF. USCHF, the same thing, is going to make a little bit up before falling down, but the general market for the week is a sell on USDCAD. Australian USD, the same thing, because US dollar is weak, is going to make a little bit push down before rising up. GBP JPY is going to buy, okay? This week we are looking at the buy opportunity. Okay, there is a rejection. So what it will do, it will rise and then start going up. But the market general move is a buy market. If you're a student of CJ Forex, probably know what needs to be made before it begin to rise for the week. Then GBP JPY. On GBP JPY, we expect GBP JPY to make a little bit fall before going up for the week. Okay, so that's a buy. GBP CAD is a buy also. It will pull the fall down before going a little bit up. So here is going to be your TP1 before even heading here, but this is your first TP. Then crude is going to gain momentum this week also. It's going to buy. So this is what we look at crude, but here is going to be your first TP before heading to any other place. Then on gold, gold is going to make a bullish move. Expect a bullish move, so a fall, a little bit fall, and then rise to this point. But this is your first TP, and this is your second TP. Let's go straight to synthetic if we are going to cover few assets on synthetic. Welcome to Synthetic. Let's start with V75. What happened last week will amaze you most. You see, last week there was an increase in momentum comparing with the previous one. Shows that bears are in charge of the market. But there is what we are looking at now. I expect this market to go up to this level. Okay, it's going to rise to this level, then fall down. So it might take this week to rise to this level before next week might come, or it might take that this market might rise down to this place and fall down before the week's end. So this is what we should be looking at. It's a buy opportunity for V75 for this week. Let's look at V25. On V25, V25 is going to make a bullish move. Already it has created a support. So we expect the market to fall down and rise up again. So expect a buy on V25. On crash 1000, the same scenario is applicable. If you look at what happened last week, you see that the bulls are getting exalted, and there is indecision, exhaustion. So we should be expecting a sell boom on crash 1000. This is where my analysis, and don't forget to enroll into CJ Forex Global online academy. Don't forget to subscribe to our cash flow strategy, get our robots, get our price alert indicator, subscribe for account management, and also subscribe for our paid signal group. Every service we offer in CJ Forex is main aim is to make you earn while you are learning. We have made everything smart. You don't need to come to our office. If you choose to come, no problem. If you are not interested, you are any part of it, just download our app. You can access our courses, our classes, any of our services is in a system where you can be at the comfort of your home and take everything for yourself. So don't worry. We are bringing more updates on the latest events that is coming from CJ Forex. So make the right decision by being part of our service so that you can stop losing in the FX market. Have a nice day. And remember, good message does not make good people. What actually makes good people is good decision. Have a nice day.